Well, in this video tutorial we are not going to use the PC to recover our device, since it has this screen lock that we have forgotten. What are we going to do? Well, for that we always recommend watching the video tutorial, step by step, to be able to solve what is this problem with our device. First of all, what we are going to do, we have to have our phone completely off. We are going to press the power button and hold it until this shutdown option appears. We are going to turn it off. After it turns off, we are going to wait about 5 to 10 seconds. We are going to do the following. We are going to press the power button, volume down button at the same time. First the power button, then the volume up button. Now when it starts and shows the logo, we release the power button holding only the volume up button. We are going to do only this process here. It would take us to this secret menu. We are going to click where it says wipe data. We click on power. Go down, and with power we click where it says wipe data. Now we are going to click where it says confirm. We click on confirm, and now our phone would be totally set now to restart it when we have already done. This is because our device was totally formatted. All the information that our phone had has been erased. We will wait a few seconds until it restarts completely. Well, our device has already been completely reset. What we are going to do is the following. We will be able to configure it in a very easy way, and if you still have the Google account, in the description of the video and in the comments we have a method to be able to solve it.